Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. Today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See how previously it has moved. As you can see looking at this particular chart that this is the range, and once this range break upside we have seen it has moved upside. And if you have seen my previous charts, I have already explained you that a probability is very high. If the price move over a level of 22.5, we can see it can touch a level of 24. You can see it has already touched that particular level. And one more important thing that I explained, that there is a pattern forming. If you look at this particular pattern, a U pattern forming, and after that it has bounced from this particular level and chances were very high. And I have already told you that if it comes close to 21.5, a probability of moving further upside is there. Okay, so if you look at this particular chart, what you can see for the next 2 days, before we move forward and explain you where the price can move, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so if you look at this particular chart, we have seen 2 days continuously green candles are forming. Okay, so if this level sustain, which is on a higher chances, yes, it can sustain. So probability is high that we can see it can go towards a level of around $23.469. And if that level sustain, chances of moving further upside is there. We can see it can go towards a level of around 23.679. Okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of around $23.949, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $24.032. Okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $24.122. Okay, and if that level sustain, then chances of moving further upside is there. Okay, and once the price goes above 24.122, then chances of moving further high, because this is the range where the price has not come since long. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $23.221. Okay, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of around $22.861. And if that level goes further down, then a probability of touching a level of 22.636 is there. Okay, and if that level goes further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around $22.235. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further down, and a probability of touching a level of 21.960 is there. So once the price fall below that level, then we can see it will come in this particular zone again. So you have to keep that in mind. Okay, overall trend on the upside with a strong support coming at this particular level. Okay, 21.960. so if it didn't sustain, then we can see it will move in this zone. Now suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, and a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. That comes to $50 to $100 per trade. Suppose if you took 5 trades, your maximum loss is $500 per day. Okay, so suppose if you lose $500 in a day, relax for the day and exit the trades and all. So what will happen, the next day you can focus more on profit rather than recovering this amount. Okay, $500. So what people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself, they try to recover it, and then they lose their full capital. This is what they do. Okay, so one should be doing what, this is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things. Okay, when to strategize, when to enter, when to exit, and all hedging strategies I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please